Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I wasn't going to do a second video, but this one's going to be so easy if you didn't watch the first one. And I've got plenty of videos that if you'll search lake or maps in my magnifying glass on my... So now we've done the lake, I'm going to do the road. And you learn kind of a little bit about this, so I'm going to take the freehand tool and I'm going to just get it close right now. And if I was doing this for real, I'd probably try to get it closer and take more time. You want to make sure you're on the pretty close to the line, and this will let you really know if you have any artistic ability. And then, it doesn't matter if you make some, but you do want to join those lines. And we're just going to do a few roads because I'm not going to really do this map. But then what is so cool about this, you can go back, take your shape tool and add nodes and bring that over there. Add another node there and bring it down. Make these jig jogs. This road really, you probably don't want that right there, but it's hard to tell what's behind that sign. And like I said in the first video about the map, nobody's going to drive from this. So let's just move that one back over. And you don't want it like that. You want it like that. Add a node by double clicking. And then you can move the node up, double clicking. And if you go ahead and, if you see that, go ahead and cut it off. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because I'm just showing anybody how to do it. It's really, really easy. Once you kind of commit to do this, so I'm just going to show you real quick. I know I'm rambling, but I'm trying to show you the best way, and maybe some shortcuts. You can delete nodes and bring that over, add nodes. I'm just double clicking to add a node. Anyway, let's call that good enough. Let me add one more. So let's call that good enough. Now we've got our map. It's complete, so I can just nudge it up. There's our roads. I would look at them pretty close, and we're pretty good. I've got a jig right there I do not like. Just delete that node, and I would go back and look at it on the map. But this is pretty important. Go here and go to Object and combine them. Then we're going to go here and change it to points, and I'm just going to say like that thick. And now let's bring our map back in. Well, tell you what, let's leave the map out of it and bring the lake up. And because I'm nudging, it's going to be right back where it was. You can see that this road goes through there and I'm a little bit off. So just now we've combined it, so you have to go to Object and break the curve apart for you to use it, right there, you're between the lake. So the lake, if you're going to cut it out, you need a place for the road to go through it. So the wood will still be there. Now, if you don't have enough room on your lake to get through there and make the bridge look real, you can manipulate the lake and just do this. And I would actually probably select both those nodes and right click and make it a straight line, because a bridge or whatever is going to be a straight line. Now we got a little bit of overkill right there, but that's good. And I'm sure this road is right on the lake, but you can't be in the lake. And you want to stay far enough apart for when if you cut that out. And there must be another road going through there, a smaller road. And that's one thing so nice about this. You can always bring it back in. And you know what? I saw something jump. If you ever see something jump, go back, because you'll never get it back. I jumped something and I got my map off. So let's back up quite a bit. Remember, I'd played with it right in here. So let's take that away. Now we should be good to go. Somehow we're off. Oh, that's a little concerning, but we can take the map and just kind of move it around. I do not like doing this, but that's good enough. So where was the one break? The one break is right in here. And so it wasn't a break. It was where there was a letter. So let's take that and nudge it out of the way. And we just need to fix that break. Right in here. That wasn't, I thought it was a bridge earlier. But just take those nodes and kind of, maybe add a node and put it up there. Take your virtual segment delete key and slide through there. Now let's see what this thing looks like. We're going to make the lake blue. And voila. That looks pretty good. And then I've got plenty of videos on how to find my videos about building a lake map and adding the highway signs and a compass. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.